Audio Jungle.
My dear students, how are you? I hope all you are well. In this pandemic situation, this is very crucial time. We don't know when we can meet, but I am missing my students and my lovely school campus of Milestone Excellent College. One thing that will inspire me very much now, that your like and comments in my videos, and I hope you will continue to give like and comment in my videos. That will inspire me for making good videos. So my dear students, let's start today's class.
Audio Jungle.
My dear students of class 6, today our OCW number 47, chapter 4, algebraic expressions. I am going to discuss MCQ from number 1 to number 15 from exercise 4.3, and I will show you by the explanation that will help you for your better understanding. Let us see. Review of previous lesson. My dear students, in the last class you have solved some examples from chapter 4.3. Now I am going to give you 2 minutes to solve a problem. Subtract minus 4b plus 3a minus 4c from 8a minus 4b plus 6c. Your time starts now, my dear. Yes, your time has finished. Now I will show you the solution, and this is the solution, my dear. Arranging the similar terms on below the other, we get like this: 8a minus 4b plus 6c and 3a minus 4b minus 4c. And in order to do subtraction, you have to change the sign, and you can see plus 3a, that would be minus 3a, minus 4b, that would be plus, and minus 4c, that would be plus. And after that, plus 8a minus 3a, that would be plus, and minus, that would be minus. So we will get 5a, and minus 4b plus 4b, we will get 0, plus 6c plus 4c, that would be plus, and plus, that would be plus 10c. So that is the answer, my dear. So my dear students, in the last class you have solved some examples from chapter 4.3, and this is the subtraction I have already given you, and this is the solution. 5a plus 10c is the answer, my dear. Now, at the end of this lesson, you will be able to solve all the MCQ from exercise 4.3, know how to solve MCQ within a short period of time, know the basic related with this MCQ, explain similar and dissimilar terms, do addition of the algebraic expressions, do subtraction of the algebraic expressions, my dear. So this is the thing you will learn at the end of this lesson, and the main thing is similar and dissimilar terms, addition of the algebraic expressions, and subtraction of the algebraic expressions. Those are very important for you. Now, exercise 4.3, solution number 1. Which one of the following is the coefficient of x in 5x plus 3y? This is the question, my dear. Let us see the options. A is 8, B is 5x, C is 3y, D is 5. So my dear students, in here you can see the tick mark, and this would be the result. Let us see the explanation how we can get this result. So this is the explanation. At first we have to know what is coefficient, and this is the definition, my dear. When a number is attached with a variable in a single term expression as a multiplier, that multiplier is called the numerical coefficient or coefficient of the expression. That is the thing, my dear. if you see an example in the expression 5x plus 3y, 5x equals to 5 multiplied by x. So therefore coefficient of x is 5, my dear. So this is the definition. When again I am saying, when a number is attached with a variable, that means in here 5 is attached with the variable x in a single term expression as a multiplier in a single term, because you can see in the expression 5x plus 3y there are two terms, but 5x this is the single term and 5 is multiplied with the variable, so 5 is the coefficient of x. So my dear students, this is solution number 1 and the answer would be 5. You can see the definition of coefficient, and coefficient of x is 5. Now solution number 2, let us see the question. Which one of the following is the sum of the 3 times of x and 2 times of y? Let us see the options, my dear. These are the options: A, y plus 3x, B, 3x plus 2y, C, x plus 2y, and D, 2x plus 3y. So my dear, this is the tick mark. You can see number B, 3x plus 2y. This will be the desired answer. Let us see the explanation how we can get this result. So this is the explanation. 3 times of x, that is 3x, that means 3 multiplied by x. 3 times means multiplication, my dear, and 2 times of y is 2y, times means multiplication, my dear. So 2 multiplied by y, that would be 2y. And if we make the sum, or if we add these two, 3x and 2y, then we get, therefore sum equals to 3x plus 2y. That is the desired answer, my dear. So this is question number 2. Which one of the following is the sum of the 3 times of x and 2 times of y? And as you see, sum will be 3x plus 2y. That is the desired answer. Let us see solution number 3. Which one is the index of x in 7x to the power 3 multiplied by x to the power 2, or you can say 7x cube multiplied by x square. You can say the both, x to the power 3 or x cube multiplied by x to the power 2 or x square. So that is the question, my dear. Which one is the index of x in 7x cube multiplied by x square? These are the options, my dear. As you can see, number B, 5 is the desired answer, that is the tick mark. Let us see the explanation how we can get this result. Explanation: index. At first we have to know the definition of index. What is index? The number of times of factors occurring in a factor of any expression is called index. Let us see the example, my dear. Now 7x cube multiplied by x square, and as you know, in the same variable the power will be addition, because in here there is a multiplication sign, and in the same variable, if the multiplication sign between them, then the power will be added between them. Okay, so 7x to the power 3 plus 2, that is the power 7x to the power 5. As you can see, therefore 5 is the index of x. Let us see the definition again. The number of times of factors occurring in a factor of any expression. In here you can see 5 is the index of x, because number of times of factors occurring in a factor of any expression is called index. That's why 5 is the index of x, my dear. So this is the question and 5 is the answer. As you can see, the important definition: index, the number of times of factors occurring in a factor of any expression is called index. As you know, with the same variable, and if it is multiplication, the power will be added. Then we can get 7x to the power 3 plus 2, that would be 7x to the power 5, and 5 is the index of x. That is the desired answer, my dear. So solution number 4, let us see the questions. Which one of the following indicates a pair of similar terms? And these are the options, my dear. the answer will be number C, 3x square comma minus 7x square. Let us see the explanation how we can get this result. So this is the explanation, and let us see the definition of similar terms, because without the definition you cannot understand how to find out how to indicate a pair of similar terms. Two terms contain the same unknown factors and the same powers of these factors, that is, two terms are similar if they differ only in their numerical coefficients. That is not our headache, or that is not our problem. Okay, my dear, two terms contain the same unknown factors, that means the factors will be the same and the same powers of these factors. Two terms are similar if they differ only in their numerical coefficient, there is no problem. Let us see now. 3x square minus 7x square are similar terms. Why? Because as you can see, two terms, 3x square minus 7x square, there are two terms in here, and they contain the same unknown factors. As you can see, x and x, that is, contain the same unknown factors and the same powers of these factors. As you can see, x square and in here x square. That's why two terms are similar, but the difference is in their numerical coefficient. That is not the problem. Okay, in here it is written, because the numerical coefficient of the expression is not same but terms are same. That is the answer, my dear. So this is the question number 4. And as you know, the similar term, two terms contain the same unknown factors and the same powers of these factors. Two terms are similar if they differ only in their numerical coefficients. So 3x square comma minus 7x square, in here x square and x square, they are the same. That's why they are similar terms. This is solution number 5. If m equals to minus 6, the in expression m square minus 7, what is the value of the expression? And these are the options, my dear. As you can see, the tick mark 29 is the desired answer. Let us see the explanation. Given value m equals to minus 6, and we have to putting down the value of m in m square minus 7. Now m square minus 7 equals to, as you know, the value of m, it is given minus 6. So minus 6 whole square, because we just write down and we are just putting down the value of m minus 6 minus 7. As you know, minus 6 whole square means there are two minus 6 in here. That's why minus 6 multiplied by minus 6 and the remaining minus 7. And if we multiply between these two, 6 and 6, that would be 36, and minus, that would be plus. That's why the sign of 36, it would be plus sign or positive sign, minus 7. After that, if we subtract 36, if we subtract 7 from 36, that would be the 29 is the desired answer, my dear. So this is solution number 5. The answer is 29. And you can see the explanation. If we putting down the value of m in m square minus 7, we get the result 29. So this is solution number 6. If you subtract b minus a from a minus b, what is the difference? So these are the options, my dear. The answer of will be C, 2a minus 2b. Let us see the explanation. Arranging the similar terms on below the other, we get. So my dear, arranging the similar terms on below the other, we get, or you can see the same variable on below to other, we can get a minus b. After that, if we arrange the similar terms, a minus a plus b. And you know, this is subtraction, that's why we have to change the sign. So minus a, minus sign will be plus, plus b, plus sign will be minus. So 2a minus 2b is the desired answer, because plus and plus a, that would be 2a, minus b, minus b, minus and minus, that would be plus. That's why we have to add, so 2b, and the sign will be minus, my dear. So this is the question number 6, and answer will be 2a minus 2b if we arrange the similar terms on below the other. Solution number 7, what is the sum of three expressions x square plus 3, x square minus 2, minus 2x square plus 1? The answer will be, my dear, from the options number B, 2 is the tick mark. Let us see the explanation. The sum of the three expressions are if we arrange them in the similar terms. Okay, x square plus 3, x square minus 2, and minus 2x square plus 1. And after that, as we can see, x square, they are positive signs, so they will be plus and plus, that would be 2x square, and minus 2x square. So 2x square, and from minus 2x square, if we subtract, we will get 0, plus 3 plus 1, that would be plus 4, and from plus 4, if we subtract minus 2, we get plus and minus, that would be minus. So from 4, if we subtract 2, we can get 2, and the sign will be obviously the bigger number sign. The bigger number 4, that is the sign is plus. That's why plus 2 is the desired answer. Therefore 2 is the answer. So this is solution number 7, my dear. 2 is the answer, and this is the explanation. As you can see, 2 is the answer. This is solution number 8. Let us see the question. In the expressions 5x to the power 4, number 1, the power of x is 4. Number 2, two terms are there. Number 3, the coefficient of x to the power 4 is 5. So which one is the correct answer, my dear? So these are the options, my dear, and as you can see, the tick mark number B, 1 and 3 is the correct answer. Let us see the explanation. Why 1 and 3? Why not 2? The explanation is, first one, 5x to the power 4. The power of x is 4. As you can see, x to the power 4, that is correct. 5x to the power 4, there is only one term. So option 2 is not correct because it is written in here, two terms are there. And as you can see, my dear, there is one term only in here, 5x to the power 4. So that is not correct. And number 3, 5x to the power 4, the coefficient of x to the power 4 is 5. That is correct because 5 is multiplied with the variable x. So my dear student, this is the question, and as you can see, there is only one term, 5x to the power 4. That's why the answer will be 1 and 3. And this in here, number 3, the coefficient of x to the power 4 is 5. Solution number 9, that is the question. In x and y variables, the sum is x plus y, the product is xy, the summation of a square is x square minus y square. Which one is correct, my dear? These are the options, and as you can see, the tick mark is number A, 1 and 2 is correct. Let us see the explanation. Why 1 and 2 is correct only? Why not 3? This is the explanation, my dear. Number 1, the sum of x and y is x plus y. It is correct, as you can see. The product of or multiplication of x and y is xy. It is also correct, my dear. The summation of a square equals to x square plus y square. So option 3 is not correct because the summation of a square, in here it is written x square minus y square. That is the subtraction, my dear, not the summation. As you know, summation is the addition. So the summation of a square is x square plus y square. So my dear, this is the question. The summation of a square is x square minus y square. That is not correct because, as you know, if we write down x square minus y square, that would be the subtraction. Now solution number 10, x square minus y square minus z square, and z square minus x square are three algebraic expressions. Answer question number 10 to 11 using the information. The first one is, if x equals to 2 and y equals to minus 3, what is the value of the first expression, my dear? These are the options, and minus 5 is the answer. Explanation: given x equals to 2 and y equals to minus 3, my dear, and if we put down the value of x and y in the first expression, x square minus y square, then we can get, instead of x we can write down 2 whole square, minus, instead of y we can write down minus 3 whole square. As you know, 2 square, that means 2 multiplied by 2, that would be 4, minus 3 square, that means there are 2 minus in here, minus 3 in here. That's why we will write down minus 3 multiplied by minus 3. After that, 4 minus 3 3s are 9, and minus, my dear, that would be plus. Minus and minus, again I am saying that would be plus. That's why in here we will write down plus 9, but beside bracket, as you can see in the left side, there is a minus sign. That's why we will write down 4 minus 9. And from 4 minus 9, as you know, minus and plus, that would be minus. So from 9, if we subtract 4, we will get 5. So minus 5 is the desired answer, because the bigger number sign of 9 is minus. So my dear students, this is the question number 10. As you can see, the answer is minus 5. You have to remember that the bigger number sign will be the answer, obviously, every time. So that's why 9 minus is the sign of 9, and the answer will be minus 5. Now question number 11, you can see the solution. These are the three expressions already we have discussed, and answer question 10 to 11 using that information. The question number 11 is, what is the sum of the three expressions? The answer will be 0, my dear. As you can see the tick mark in number A. Let us see the explanation. The sum of the three expressions, my dear: x square minus y square plus y square minus z square plus z square minus x square. As you know, the similar terms or similar variable we can add by this. Then x square, if we arrange this with the similar term, x square minus x square we can write down, plus y square minus y square we can write down, plus z square minus z square we can write down, because x square minus x square, they are the similar terms or same variable, plus y square minus y square, they are the similar terms or same variable, plus z square minus z square, they are the similar terms or same variable. So my dear students, if we subtract x square from x square, we will get 0. If we subtract y square from y square, we will get 0. If we subtract z square from z square, we will get 0. So that's why 0 is the answer, my dear, because plus and minus we will get 0. So this is the question number 11, my dear. What is the sum of the three expression? And the answer will be 0. And as you can see the explanation, that the similar terms, they are in plus and minus sign. That's why that would be 0 is the desired answer. Solution number 12. 12x is the sum of x and the power of 12. Number 2, the index of a is 3 in the expression 4a to the power 3 or 4a cube. The coefficient of x in the expression 3x plus 4 is 3. Let us see which one is the correct on the basis of above information, my dear. That is, the answer is C number. 2 and 3 is the tick mark, as you can see. Let us see the explanation. 12x is the 12 times of x and the coefficient of x is 12. So option 1 is not correct, my dear, because in here coefficient of x is 12, not the power. The power is x to the power 1, that means a, and the power of x is 1. That's why number 1 is not correct. Let us see number 2. According to the definition of exponent, the number of times of factors occurring in a factor of the any expression is called index. As you know the definition of index. So 4a cube, index or power of a is 3. That is correct, my dear. Number 3. In expression 3x plus 4, the coefficient of x is 3. That is also correct, because 3 is multiplied with the variable is x. So my dear students, this is question number 12, and as you can see the answer will be 2 and 3, because the coefficient of x is 12, there is no power of x is 12. So this is solution number 13. Two terms 5a x square and minus 7x square a are similar. Number 2, there are 4 terms in the algebraic expression 3x square plus 2x divided by y minus 5x. Number 3, if a equals to 2 and b equals to 3, the value of 4a minus b will be 5. Let us see the question. Which one is correct on the basis of above information? The answer will be C. 1 and 3 is correct. Let us see the explanation. In 5x square and minus 7x square a, the numerical coefficients of the two algebraic expressions are not the same, but the terms are similar. That's why it is correct, my dear. Already I have told you when I discussed the definition of similar terms. Number 2, there are three terms: 3x square, 2x divided by y, 5x in the algebraic expression, 3x square plus 2x divided by y minus 5x. As you know, the terms will be divided by plus and minus sign. That's why in here plus sign and minus sign, as you can see, the terms will be 1, 2 and 3. So option 2 is not correct. Given a equals to 2 and b equals to 3, then 4a minus b equals to 4 multiplied by 2, because if we put down the value of a minus 3, because if we put down the value of b, then we can get 4 2s are 8 minus 3, we can get is 5. That is correct, my dear. So as you can see, that number 1 and 3 is the correct answer. So this is question number 13, my dear. These are the 1, 2 and 3 number. Which one of the is correct on the basis of above information? As you can see, number C, 1 and 3 is correct. So from the explanation we can see that 1 and 3 is the correct answer. Now question number 14, 9x square, 8x square, 5y square are three algebraic expressions. Then what is the sum of the numerical coefficients of the three expressions? The answer will be, my dear, 22, that is tick mark. So let us see the explanation, my dear. 9x square, 8x square, 5y square. As you can see, 9, 8 and 5, they are the numerical coefficients of these expressions. So the sum of the numerical coefficient is 9 plus 8 plus 5, that would be 22, my dear. That is the desired answer. So this is solution number 14, 1 number math, and the answer of the numerical coefficient is 22, as you can see. Now again solution number 14, that is question number 2. What is the index of the product of the first two expressions, my dear? The answer will be 4. Let us see the explanation. The product of the first two expression is 9x square multiplied by 8x square, and if we multiply the coefficient together, so 9 multiplied by 8 and the same variable, so the power will be added between them. So 9 8s are 72 and x to the power 2 plus 2, that would be x to the power 4. So the index of x in 72 x to the power 4 is 4. That is the correct answer, my dear. So this is the solution number 14, and as you can see, if we multiply the coefficient together, then we can get 72 and the power x to the power 2 plus 2, that would be x to the power 4. The index of x is 4. Now solution number 15. As you can see, x square plus y square, x square minus y square plus z square, minus x square plus y square minus z square are three algebraic expressions. On the basis of this information, answer the following question 1 to 4. Number 1, which one will be the sum of difference of the first two expressions with the third expression? And these are the options, my dear, and the answer will be minus x square plus 3y square minus z square. This is the tick mark. Let us see the explanation. Difference of the first two expression, because which one will be the sum of the difference of the first two expression with the third expression. So at first we have to find out the difference of the first two expression. X square plus y square plus z square and x square minus y square plus z square. If we subtract, we have to change the sign, my dear. That's why the positive sign will be minus sign, the negative sign will be plus sign, positive, and positive sign will be negative sign. As you can see, plus x square minus x square, plus and minus, that would be subtract, so there will be 0. Plus y square, that would be plus and plus, that would be 2y square. Plus z square minus z square, that would be obviously 0. So by adding with the third expression with the result we get 2y square, and if we arrange the same variable, or same algebraic expression, then you can get minus x square plus y square minus z square, and after that we will get minus x square plus 2y square plus y square, that would be plus and plus, that would be 3y square minus z square. That is the desired answer, my dear. So this is question number 15, number 1 question, and that is very important question, my dear. Which one will be the sum of difference of the first two expressions? So at first we have to find out the first two expressions by subtracting, then the result is added with the third expression, and we get the result minus x square plus 3y square minus z square. That is the answer. Let us see 15, number 2 math. What is the coefficient of y square in the second expression? The answer will be minus 1, my dear. So let us see the explanation. From the second expression, as you can see, x square minus y square plus z square, coefficient of y square is equals to minus 1 multiplied by y square equals to minus 1. As you can see in the second expression, x square minus y square plus z square. So my dear student, minus y square. That's why minus 1 you can write down multiplied by y square. Minus 1 will be the coefficient of y square. After that, number 3. What is the sum of the three expressions? These are the options, my dear, and the answer will be number C, x square plus y square plus z square, that is the tick mark. Let us see the explanation. The sum of the three expressions are arranging the similar terms or arranging the similar variable one by one. We can get x square plus y square plus z square, then x square minus y square plus z square minus x square plus y square minus z square. As you can see the answer, x square plus y square plus z square. How we can get? Because plus x square we can get 2x square, and from 2x square if we subtract minus x square or x square, we get plus and minus, that would be minus x square. Plus y square minus y square, we can omit this, so plus y square will be the remaining. Plus z square minus z square, we can omit this, so plus z square will be the remaining. So this is the answer, my dear. So this is question number 15, 2 number, and coefficient of y square, that would be minus 1. Very important question. And what is the sum of the three expression? As you can see, if we arrange the similar terms one by one, then we can easily find out the solution. So the answer will be x square plus y square plus z square. That is the last question, my dear, 15 number. Question number 4. Which one will be the difference of the third expression from the sum of the first two expressions, my dear? So this is the answer, 3x square minus y square plus 3z square. Explanation. The sum of the first two expressions, that is x square plus y square plus z square, x square minus y square plus z square, and if we add them, then we can get plus x square plus s square, that would be plus, and plus, that would be plus 2x square, plus y square minus y square, if we subtract we will get 0, plus z square plus z square, that would be 2z square. Difference of third expressions from the sum of the first two expressions, 2x square plus 2z square, and if we arrange the similar terms one by one, then we can get minus x square plus y square minus z square. And if we subtract, we have to change the sign, so minus will be plus, plus will be minus, and minus will be plus. So plus 2x square plus x square, that would be 3x square, and minus y square, because we changed the sign already, plus 2z square plus z square, that would be plus 3z square. That is the answer, my dear. So this is question number 4 of 15. That is the explanation, my dear, and if we add the first two expression, we get 2x square plus 2z square, and difference of third expression from the sum of the first two expressions is, if we arrange them with the similar terms one by one, then we get 3x square minus y square plus 3z square. Now, summary of today's lesson. We have solved all the MCQ from exercise with explanation. Some important information that you might remember again. When a number is attached with a variable in a single term expression as a multiplier, the multiplier is called the numerical coefficient or coefficient of the expression. Two terms contain the same unknown factors and the same powers of these factors. Two terms are similar if they differ only in their numerical coefficients. The number of times factors occurring in a factor of any expression is called index. So that is the summary, my dear. As you can see, the important definition of coefficient and the similar terms also with the index. So my dear students, today OSW number 47 from exercise 4.3 page number 108, you have to do number 16 math. Enjoyed the class and understand everything very clearly. If you have any question, you can ask me in Messenger group class or in Zoom class, no problem. We will meet together again. We will meet in the next class. Thank you.